Hey everyone, this is Jenny from Homestead Corner, and today we're out at the hives and we're going to do some splits. We picked up 2 queens from Spicer Bees over by Augusta and Whitefield, I think it is, and we picked those up yesterday afternoon, so we are going to split each one of these hives into a nuke with a new queen, a caged queen. And we have our little queens here. We just put a little metal piece of strap on there so we can hang them in there. And they've got 5 or 6 little ladies to go with them, to attend to them. And we're just gonna jump right in and get this started. Okay, so we're going to start in our big hive. This is pollen pants, what we call it, and we're going to start by going in here and finding our queen, hopefully, so we can split and not take her. We don't want to take her. Wow.
What the heck?
How are so many bees getting in there? Look at them pound that sugar. Need my hive tool. Alright, so these girls are super busy, super duper busy. I got this up here, can you set it there? Okay, and usually on this hive we find our queen right down here in this corner. She loves to run and hide from us. So this one is perfect to take for the split. She's not on it, and it is just covered in capped brood. So we want to give the new queen a good healthy start. So we're going to put that over here in our nuke.
There she is. Okay,
Oh, all right. She's right there on the frame. They love to hide. She's very good at hiding.
So that one's ready to go.
Yep. The pollen pants is done. Let's get a queen in here. This will give them like 3 days to get used to her, and they will fight their way in through that candy to get her out. It's okay, we just put an extra frame in when we take her out, take the cage out. Yeah. Cover. So we have our first split done. She's in there. They have some sugar water on the front to get them started building new comb on those empty frames. And when we take her cage out, once she's released in like 3 days, we'll add another frame so it's full. Okay, so we got these 2 nukes. We did splits today from these 2 hives. And we will come back and check on these in about 3 days to make sure the queen's released. And if she isn't, we'll probably help her along a little bit. But that's it, splitting, not too difficult. Just got to make sure you find your queen that you're leaving. And this will stop swarming also, which is wonderful. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.